Your best friends are within you. Gut microbiome research shows that the bacteria inside you may influence your weight, health, energy levels, immune system, regulate your blood sugar, improve nutrient absorption, manufacture of vitamins, protecting your large gut against inflammation, chronic diseases including cancer, and communicates with your brain through a long nerve called the vagus nerve and boosts mood and brain health. This connection is referred to as the brain-gut axis. This relationship makes us believe that your gut is your second brain. A troubled intestine sends signals to the brain, just as the brain can send signals to the gut. Therefore, a person's stomach or intestinal distress can be the cause or the product of anxiety, stress, or depression. That's because the brain and the gastrointestinal systems are intimately connected. Gut health seems to affect your brain, mood and behavior, and mental and physical health. These microbes are found in your skin, mouth, nose, other openings, and mainly in your gut. And discussion is all about that. We have 17 feet of small gut and 5 feet of large gut, and your friendly gut microbes are more in your large gut. There are over 100 trillion found in your large gut alone. They are bacteria, viruses, and fungi, and we call this group collectively as microbiota. Some are beneficial and others are harmful. These good beneficial bacteria prevent the growth of harmful bacteria. The number of bacteria in our gut outnumbers the number of cells of our body. We have 32 trillion cells in our body. There is an estimated 1 kilogram of bacteria within each average human adult. Keeping your gut microbes healthy keeps your brain alert and healthy. Your gut also contains nerves that are responsible for producing serotonin, a feel-good hormone as in the brain. Incidentally, bananas have a serotonin. Babies get healthy microbes from the mother's breast milk and at birth from the birth passage of the mother. A study which was the largest in the field and published in JAMA Pediatrics reveals that breastfeeding favors the implantation of a healthy gut microbiota in babies. It is observed that normally born babies thrive better than those delivered through cesarean operation. 1 gram of our feces contains a greater number of bacteria than there are humans on the planet. Importance of dietary fiber in relation to these microbes. Let's discuss the importance of dietary fiber in relation to these microbes. Large gut microbes feed on undigested dietary fiber, considered as a prebiotic through a process of fermentation. Prebiotics, which acts like a fertilizer for your gut microbes and promote good health bacterial growth. Plant-based foods, including fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds, which are packed with naturally occurring prebiotics, is the best way to nourish your gut microbiota. Byproduct of that fermentation is short-chain fatty acids, such as butyric acetate, that keeps your gut healthy to prevent inflammatory diseases, including cancer, and provide energy. Butyric acid provides your colon cells with about 70% of their total energy needs. The bacteria that produce short-chain fatty acids in your gut, large gut, include lactobacillus and bifidobacterium. These healthy microbes that keep your gut healthy can be destroyed if you consume too many refined carbs, sugars, and processed food. This can affect your brain's mood and behavior as well as overall health. The plant-based Mediterranean diet, characterized by greater intake of veggies over animal protein, has been acknowledged as the best science-backed diet boosting gut health. In contrast, unbalanced and extreme diets does affect the health of these bacteria, leading to an unhealthy gut. This is the case with the Western diet, high in animal protein and fat and low in dietary fiber. High intake of proteins increases protein fermentation by the bacteria in the large gut. Especially the plant protein increases beneficial gut bacteria to strengthen the gut barrier and decreases inflammation. Egg consumption improves gut microbiota function without increasing inflammatory, metabolic, and oxidative stress markers. We offer these microbes bed and board in our gut, and in return they break down some components in food that we are unable to digest, like certain types of fiber, as we lack the tools to do it ourselves. They also produce vitamins, vitamin B, folate, biotin, B12, thiamine, and niacin. They boost our immune system to keep us healthy. Hippocrates didn't hold back when he claimed death sits in the bowel. Having the right bacteria has been linked to numerous health benefits, including weight loss, improved function, better skin, and reduced risk of many diseases. Practice of medicine in the future will be revolutionized without the use of drugs. Microbiologists will take over to treat the chronic diseases. For instance, new research into inflammatory bowel disease shows the drugs of choice is human poo capsules. This novel treatment is called fecal microbiota transplants, and it aims to manipulate gut bacteria through the transfer of healthy gut bacteria from donor to recipient. Taking antibiotics can disrupt your gut bacteria and result in unintended consequences for health and disease. You need to be aware of this situation and take probiotics along with your antibiotics. Future treatment of asthma in children. Researchers analyzed stool samples collected at the age 3 months and 1 year of 319 children participating in the large Canadian Healthy Infant Longitudinal Development Study. The study showed lower levels of 4 specific gut bacteria, Faecalibacterium, Lactospira, Veillonella, and Rothio, in 3 months old, who were later found to be at an increased risk of asthma. It is observed that kids living in slum environment do not get asthma. Kids of affluent parents creating an aseptic environment do get asthma. A study co-author Professor Anne Astrup explains, human intestinal bacteria have been linked to the increased prevalence of overweight and obesity, and scientists have started to investigate whether the intestinal bacteria can play a role in the treatment of overweight. It is only now that a breakthrough demonstrating that certain bacterial species play a decisive role in weight regulation and weight loss. Fecal transplants are now available in the US in a pill form. In future, your chronic diseases will be cured permanently by taking these poo pills. Hope this video talk was useful. Stay safe and goodbye for now.